You know, those days people lying so much.
I am a Congolese Tutsi, also known as a Banyamulengué. I wrote this speech to shed a light on what is currently happening in Congo from a perspective of a Tutsi. Unfortunately, our story has been overshadowed by misinformation and prejudice that has led to ongoing violence and discrimination against our people. As we navigate through these challenging times, it is crucial for you to understand the truth about who we are and the historical context of our people in Congo. By law, we Banyamulengué Tutsis should be regarded as Congolese citizens, as we have been in Congo way before colonialism. The fact that the Belgians found us in Congo alone dispels the myth that we are in.
And you know, some people when they're lying, you can think like they're telling the truth, but it's a lie. I don't know why people they do that. Especially Kagame. Kagame is a big liar. When Kagame speak or when Kagame spoke, if you don't know him, you may think like this guy is a very good guy, but he's a big liar. Think about that. Everybody, now they know who Kagame is. Before, they didn't know him, but right now, the world, they can tell. You know, you can lie sometime, but you cannot lie all the time. Because one day it's gonna come, God is gonna show people like your bedside. This is where we are right now. So Kagame, he tried very hard to tell all the world. It's like Congolese, they don't like Banyamulengué. Congolese, they are against Banyamulengué. Many people, they think like that. But that's not true. Because we've been living together for a long time. Even before colonization, we've been together for a long time. We never have a problem with anybody in Congo. Remember when Mobutu was in the power? Mobutu always said we are once, like we got one father and one nation. We've been together for a long time, but why now? Why now? And the worst thing I see right now, many people, many Banyamulengué, they try to take Kagame word and put the Kagame word in their mouth, speak like Kagame. And it's not true. It's not going to help us. Why you guys do that? Why you guys do that? Especially like this lady is showing people different side of you. Different side of us. It's like we are bad people, we don't like you. We are bad people, we treat you bad. No. Nobody is above to anybody in the Congo. We are all equal. You can Banyamulengué, Tutsi, whatever. If you are Congolese, we know there is all the Angola. They are close because they are on the border. So why you guys try to make a problem for Congo? Why? Why? If you are Banyamulengué, you know you are Congolese. Just be quiet and be Congolese. But you make a video, you want to show the world like you telling the truth. Like a Congolese, they are against you. But you know you lying. It's not fair. You know what? God is watching us. Even not today. I know you guys want that part. You don't want to, like, people they're gonna say like, okay, these people they suffer for so long. And you know what? The good things, we don't want to let you go. We never let you go. We're going to stay together, stick together forever. If you are Congolese, you're going to stay wherever you are, you're going to stay there. Because nobody going to cut even a small land to give anybody. Because Congo is going to stay one. You remember this? Congo, we're going to stay one. If you are Congolese, if you are Banyamulengué, if you are Tutsi Congolese, we know we got a Tutsi Congolese, we got a Banyamulengué Congolese. That's true what they said. But don't make a problem for all of us. It's not true. It's not true. Don't make a problem for all of us. If you are Congolese, be Congolese. Nobody said you are not Congolese. But you try to isolate yourself. like you guys do all the time. You guys do all the time. It's not fair for Congo. We need to be together. We need to be together, fight together. If you Congolese, you like Congolese, just be Congolese. Follow what the government said. It's all everywhere in the world is like that. In America over here, we got American, we got an Indian. You cannot see Indian come and say like, okay, you guys, why you treat me like that? No, we are equal. The same thing in the Congo. So stop making a problem for Congolese. Stop making a problem for Congolese. You guys already killed a lot of people. People, they are dying because of you. People, they are dying because of Banyamulengué, Tutsi, whatever it is. And they stop doing that. Especially you, the lady who make this video, is not cool. It's not right. It's not right for any Congolese. I know for sure if you're going to make another one, oh, we're going to stand. We're going to stay against. We're going to show the world like you guys are lying. Now we know the trick. Now we know. Nobody going to let you guys speak and we're going to keep our mouth shut. We don't going to do that anymore. We let you guys do whatever you want to do before, but right now we're going to stay together. Nobody going to cut our land. We don't want to let you guys go. Okay? All right.